how to recover permanently deleted videos from Android. So if you want to recover permanently deleted videos from your Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your gallery. Now, if you've deleted from here, then what you can do is go with albums, which will be in the top. From the albums, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of deleted items right here. You need to tap on it and then you might find the deleted items or the video right here. But if you don't have your deleted item or if you don't have your deleted video right here, then what you need to do is go with the second step, which is you need to open up your Google Photos. If you've turned on your backup on your Google Photos, then it will be saved to your Google Photos as well. So you need to scroll down and here you will find the video that you have deleted from your Android device. But if you still don't find it right here, then you can go with collections, which will be on the bottom. From collections, you need to go with trash, which will be on the top right side. And here you will have your video. You can go and find the video and you'll be able to recover it. So that's how you can recover permanently deleted videos from your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.